You can't please them all, it's pointless to try, 'cause fucks like us have seen this shit a million times. I'll be the first to say I seem to have a way with getting in way over my head. And even if it's what I want and not impressing anyone, well, at least it got me out of bed. The last thing that you want to hear when you feel you're worth nothing is that you're worth even less than that. Don't bother trying to be perfect when you know you can't, because you can't please them all. You're wasting your time. You know some enemies stick with you till you die. You can't crack us all, it's pointless to try, 'cause fucks like us have seen this shit a million times. Keep in mind that the best revenge against those who want you dead is to live until you're ahead. I tried to call it quits about 4 times, but I got sick of pulling my own legs out of my traps. 'Cause I could have said my piece, claimed you in the note I leave, but where's the fun in that? 'Cause I know you can't please them all. You're wasting your time. You know some enemies stick with you till you die. You can't crack us all, it's pointless to try, 'cause fucks like us have seen this shit a million times. Keep in mind that the best revenge against those who want you dead is to live until you're ahead. The last thing that you want to hear when you feel you're worth nothing is that you're worth even less than that. Don't bother trying to be perfect when you can't. Oh, I know